Hey, family. Just giving you a ring. It's been a little bit since we've talked. I didn't know if there was anything I could help you with. I may have a couple of leads in my pocket as well. Relationships are the easiest way to get rich quick, and building great relationships. That was actually a message from a broker that I've done several deals with and made a lot of money with. I want to tell you guys how to become the person that everyone wants to connect with, how to become the person that everyone wants to send deals to, how to become the person that has unlimited money because of their unlimited connections. Now, if you can create this, you can literally create a snowball effect of cash in your life. I get calls like that literally every single day, whether it be a title company, a broker, a realtor, whatever. I get calls like that, messages like that every day. Why? Because I've been intentional about building great relationships with people. How have I been intentional about that? By doing good business with people, time and time and time again. Not burning people, not going behind people's backs, respecting people. This is how. By having systems around every part of my business. And by systems, I mean this is how we do what we do, this is what we do, and we don't break that code because it works. And if it doesn't work, then we make alterations to it. If you want to have good relationships with people like that, if you want people to be calling you day in and day out, trying to connect with you, trying to do deals, trying to collab, you have to be a person that's worth collabing with. You have to be a person that makes other people money, that adds value to other people. And see, when it comes to business, the only thing that I focus on is how to add value to another person's situation. The only way you can add value to another person's situation is by understanding the problem and pain that they might have. What problems do you have? What pains do you have? What is your motivation? And you see, when you understand you, when you understand what motivates you, what problems you have, what pains you have, you understand that fully, you can actually start to identify that in other people. So most of the time when I have an interaction with a person face to face, I know who you are. I know what makes you tick. I know what motivates you. I know your secret suspicions. I know all of this because I studied myself first. I do nothing but study myself. Now, when it comes to building great relationships with brokers specifically, building great relationships with title companies, it's all about the value that they can add to you as well. What kind of value have they added to me? If you're going to give, you also have to get in return. This is how you build and build and build. You give and receive value constantly, constantly. But you also give and receive value based upon what you know makes a person tick. And these are laws in business that have existed forever. You have to be able to make people feel good about you by how you act and the value that you give. It's the same way that we're able to build rapport with sellers so well because we know their pains and their problems. That's the only thing you need to understand. Someone else's pain and problem, how to solve it. If someone has a problem, I can solve it. If someone has a pain, I can solve it. It doesn't matter what industry it is in. I will figure it out. And this is the kind of confidence that you need to have in yourself and the kind of understanding that you need to have about business. That's all business is. That's all doing deals is. That's all. It's so simple. But people overcomplicate it. Well, how many texts? How many mailers? How many calls? How many? You're overcomplicating it. When all you need to do is talk to as many people as you possibly can, figure out if their problems are in alignment with the value that you can provide. You do that, unlimited money. Unlimited. When it comes to working with people, what keeps them motivated? Most people is money. Guy's calling me because he wants to make more money. Because he knows when he calls me, he's going to make money. And this year, we're going to do a lot more deals together. So, what do people think about when they think about you? Do people call you to talk about how to get more deals done? Or do people call you to talk about the basketball game in the playoffs? Or do people call you to talk about the fight? Because when people call me about business. People call me because they know I'm going to make them money. They know that if they talk to me, they're going to make more money. That's why people call me. Why? Because I made the money before. So my phone, my Instagram, my messages are all filled with that. All filled with, hey, can you fund this deal? Can we do this deal together? We're gonna list this property. It's actually sold. Can you come sign this HUD statement? That's what my messages are filled with. If you want your messages to be filled with that, you have to understand other people. And to understand other people, you have to understand yourself. Don't let this go over your head. Write this down. Write this down, because this is so important. This is the laws of the game, the laws of the universe. This is how to elevate past anybody that you know. Collaboration and elevation. This is how you do it. So separate yourself from the people that are not looking to collaborate. Separate yourself from the people that are not talking to you about how to make more money. Separate yourself from the people that are not talking to you about doing more deals. Separate yourself from them. Separate yourself from the people that don't want you to make more money. Separate yourself from the greedy people. That's another thing. I'm not a greedy person. I let everybody have their fair shake. Everyone gets their fair shake. For the value that you provided, the value that you gave, I'm going to give you your fair shake. That's why I give bonuses to brokers. I give bonuses to anyone that works with me. Here's a bonus. Extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. I don't miss it. Doesn't matter to me. But I know it's going to make you feel better. The greed comes into play when someone has given value, but they haven't given the value that they're asking for. That's another thing. When someone thinks that they're entitled to something, this is when you have to cut these kinds of people off. This is when you know that this person shouldn't be in your network anymore. And I've had to cut plenty of people off like that, where they got too greedy. And greed is not a virtue that I align with. A person that wants to be greedy and have that entitlement, that sense of entitlement to where they feel like they're owed something because they did one or two things for you. Anyone that's entitled, that's in your circle, anyone that feels greed, that's in your circle, you got to cut them out, because they're going to be a hindrance to your elevation. The entitlement is one thing that I just cannot tolerate. And so I've been able to build a power structure like that, where people call me. People have deals in their pocket. People want to give me deals. People want to do things with me, because I follow these principles. I'm very aware of a person's sense of entitlement. I'm very aware of a person's greed. I'm very aware of those things. I'm very aware that if someone wants to give me value after I've given them value, I'm very aware of all that. You don't pay attention to these things, you're going to end up getting burned. That's what happens. And business can be very cruel. It can be very cruel. And you don't want to end up getting burned, and then you're like, oh, well, this stuff was a scam. And what was a scam? You're getting scammed because you're not paying attention. Pay attention to people. Look at a person's eyes. The amount of times that I meet someone in person and they don't make eye contact with me, if you don't make eye contact with me, you're already like, nope, bottom of my list. You can't even make eye contact. So if you want to build a power structure of partners like this, if you want to build, yourself into a person that people want to do deals with, want to call, want to get mentored by, want to get coached by. My clients pay me a lot of money to get mentored by me, happily, and make a lot of money from it. My average client 10x's their investment with me. This is all about your elevation. This is all about how can you add value to other people, and in exchange, they give you value. This is all about how you can solve other people's problems and provide value that align with those problems. I want you guys to write this down and take notes. Making a lot of money and getting rich is when you have mastered the art of identifying another person's pain and problem and finding the perfect solution, crafting the perfect solution that aligns with that pain and problem. That is when you get rich. That is when you build the best connections. That is when you have the best network.